back again with another Marshall product. Let me give you a short intro to Marshall. Basically, it's a British company which designs and manufactures multiple products like in-ears, headphones, guitar amplifiers, and obviously these portable speakers. Basically, Marshall was founded by a drummer, Mr. Jim Marshall. It was founded in 1962, but the major change came in 2010 when Marshall launched these portable speakers, headphones, and in-ears. So let's just start unboxing this Marshall Kilburn 2 and let's see what we have. Alright guys, so finally we have unboxed this Kilburn 2 speaker. Now let's talk about its design and its performance. It has a very beautiful leather texture. If you can see this, it has a very beautiful design. Let me just tell you a very interesting thing about this कि सिर्फ Marshall है जो कि आपको ये एनालॉग नॉब्स देता है. अदरवाइज बाकी जितने भी ब्रांड्स हैं उनके अंदर नॉर्मली डिजिटल आपके पास ऑप्शन होता है. So इसके अंदर you can set your bass, your treble according to your song or according to your mood. इतना आप उसके अंदर bass set करना चाहते हैं, कितना treble set करना चाहते हैं. Then again you have this master volume. Then we have this Bluetooth button. Once you press this, it will go on the pairing mode. और इसके अलावा इसका बैटरी का साइन यहाँ पे आ रहा है. Let's just turn it on so I can show you guys. There it is. ये इसका बैटरी का साइन है. This is the power sign and बाकी हमारे पास यहाँ पे सारे knobs आ गए and यही हमारा master volume है इसका. It has a very beautiful leather strap as well and you can carry it anywhere very easily. और इसका weight भी इतना नहीं है, so आप easily इसको कहीं पे भी carry कर सकते हैं. Okay, so let's just turn on the speaker and connect it with our Bluetooth. And here we found Kilburn 2. It's connected and let's just play the song. Alright guys, thanks for watching the video. We will be back soon with another amazing product. Kindly subscribe my channel and thank you for watching the video.